if you want to see the clothes that Wendy Dad brought for her. But believe you me, he got a lot of things. He got lots of things. Even though some are gonna be big, like this one looks like it's gonna be big. He's gonna try it on. If it doesn't fit, she keeps it. When she grows bigger, she wears them. I like so I like this one. I like the texture and the design, and it looks like something that will fit perfectly. And then this one, sometimes some of the clothes here is not the exact color the camera is showing. I'm using an Android phone to film, so you know what happens, like it gives you a different color. This one, but almost what it is. So this is maybe, yeah, I like it, and I love this one. And then this one, it looks big. It looks they even wrote how many, 8 to 9. Okay, eight to nine. I don't know if it's 8 to 9 months or something, but this is beautiful and I love it. I can't wait. I love this one so bad. Like, this is so simple, breezy. She's gonna love it. He bought a lot of clothes, guys. Even me, shocked me. Shock you. He shocked you, right? Shock me. He shocked me past. So this one, I know there are clothes that you see for kids. You know that it will not fit your child, but you just buy it because you like it. I guess that is why he bought this one. He's not unaware of the fact that it's bigger than Wendy, but he still went on anyways because he liked it. So this is for 6 years old. So since he like it, I'm gonna keep it. When she grows bigger, she wears it. When she grows bigger, she can wear it. So this one is big. I know as a guy, you could just maybe have told the people that sells to pick for him because he's a man now. So they'll just pick what they like, and when they show it to him, it's okay. So, but I'm happy with the choice of clothes that they made. But I wish he knew that he knows that her birthday is coming. Actually, my friend told me about it. He knows that. I wish that he got her something like a dress for the birthday, but God willing, I should be able to buy her one dress before her birthday. So I love this one. 18 months. When they actually wears clothes of maybe 2 years, sometimes some of her clothes are for 2 years old, but she rocked them and they fit perfectly. So this one is like this, a shirt dress, like a polo dress, and then this dress here. Oh, so pinkish. I love it. So this guy went to buy his club jersey or something. I don't know what club is this. This is what, I don't know. Okay, whatever. So he bought a jersey and a knicker for Wendy. This one, I don't know. She's just gonna wear them like that. The ones that people big, I'll have to hold on for when she's bigger than she is now. She can wear them. So this one is a leggings, so soft. Um, and these are all leggings. I like this one. I just like plain leggings because it will help me pair easily. But no wahala, all of them are beautiful. The fact that he decided to do it, but some are so small. This is 3 to 6 months. I hope it enters her. Even if it doesn't, I'll keep it for the next baby. Hey, if I hear next baby, don't tell me that I'm joking. Oh, don't come here and say, yeah, claim it for you, okay? For me right now, you see this life, I don't come this life to suffer, So I don't know for you, but for me, I don't come this life to suffer. I have seen it all. Being a nursing mom and being a single mom. Maybe if I decide in this life, if God bless me with a man, a husband or something, or a partner that is willing to be responsible, to be there. because I'm not going to do this alone again. No, I won't. So this one also, so cute, right? They are absolutely beautiful. Like I probably have shown you the shoe in the other video, but see it. They are cute, 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 cute. This, there's so much to wear with this beautiful pair of shoes. I love them. I love both of them. I'm happy for Wendy and I cannot wait. So I want to do like a try on Wendy. Ah, that's not like suicide mission. For me, I will faint when I feel it because she's not going to stay one place. Never, not Wendy. Okay. So I hope that I've shown you guys the clothes that her dad bought. If you have not watched the full video of where I did the full unboxing of all of these items, check somewhere in my channel. I don't know how to link video, I don't know how to do. Just check somewhere on my channel. You will see where I said a video that I did unboxing recently is definitely gonna be up before this one. So I hope that we're good, right? Thank you for watching. Thank you. You like my hair? Oh yeah, I know. Thanks. Bye. Oh, tidying up, right? It's not easy. But now that Wendy is sleeping, I can try my best to do everything.